Today we're unboxing the MCHOSE Ace 68 Turbo, a full aluminum pro-grade Hall-effect esports keyboard designed for players who want extreme speed and precision. Inside the box, you get the keyboard itself, a dust cover, a braided USB-C cable, a keycap and switch puller, 2 spare magnetic switches, stickers, and the manual and warranty card. Connectivity is wired USB-C with south-facing RGB, dynamic calibration 2.0, SOCD support, rapid trigger, DKS, TGL, and full macro control. All of it can be configured through the MHUB web-based driver. The Ace 68 uses a CNC machined aluminum chassis with a 65% ANSI layout and matching cherry profile keycaps. It weighs in at over 1.3 kilograms, giving it a premium, rock-solid feel. Under the hood, it uses a 5-layer sound dampening stack and an aluminum positioning plate for a tighter, cleaner acoustic profile. In short, the Ace 68 Turbo combines solid metal build quality with fast performance, offering a ready-to-go experience for players who want something reliable and quick without any complications.